say as radius. If I draw one circle here also, if I draw one circle, this passes through all the three vertices like this. Such a circle is called circumcircle. A circle which is passing through vertices of triangle. What is here? A circle which passes through vertices of triangle ABC is called circumcircle, and its center is denoted by circumcenter with alphabet S. Let us see how to construct perpendicular bisectors or how to construct a circumcenter here. In general, you know the triangle. Let us see this diagram. So this is triangle ABC. Here this is a perpendicular bisector sides. In lower classes we studied how to construct by using perpendicular bisectors by protractor and compass like this. So this is one perpendicular to one side, this like this, all the three perpendicular bisector you construct for all the three sides, they will meet at one point, that is circumcenter. Okay, now circumcenter is denoted with S, SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. But here there is no specific formula for finding circumcenter S here. So what is S means? S is a point of intersection or point of concurrence of perpendicular bisectors. Here if you want to find S, obviously we have to find the line equation of this perpendicular bisector SD and perpendicular bisector SE and perpendicular bisector SF. In these three lines, any of the two if you solve, we get the circumcenter S. Okay, now so that is a point of concurrence of perpendicular bisector. You find perpendicular bisector equations and solve, then you get the circumcenter. Okay, now see the position of circumcenter of triangle. Position. So in general, what is the position means? Position of circumcenter. Position of S. So before centroid we discussed. Centroid is always lies inside only G. Why? Because it is gravitational force like that. So and in center is also always in center. In the name only it is there, in center lies inside. Next, before we discuss excenter. Excenter means outside. So excenter is lies always outside of the triangle. Now it is a circumcenter of a triangle. So in general we have three different triangles. One is acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle. Is it or not? So let us see what is the position of circumcenter in acute angle triangle. I am taking this acute angle triangle. So construct a perpendicular bisector. This obviously lies perpendicular bisector or circumcenter is lies inside for acute angle triangle. For acute angle triangle, circumcenter lies inside. Come to obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle means you know one angle is more than 90, then it is obtuse angle triangle. Here if I draw perpendicular bisector sides, they meet at outside of the triangle. So means here circumcenter for obtuse angle triangle lies outside. Coming to position of this circumcenter for obtuse angle triangle is outside. And last one, the position of circumcenter of right angle triangle. You know, so right angle triangle. So if I take one right angle triangle here, obviously this is one this is a position of midpoint of hypotenuse. You know, this is hypotenuse. If I take this is a right angle triangle, perpendicular bisectors of sides. For example, this is a perpendicular bisector of side BC, this is perpendicular bisector of side AB and perpendicular bisector of side AC. All these three will becomes coincide here, that is a midpoint of hypotenuse. Midpoint of hypotenuse. Once again, see the positions of all the three circle in different triangles. One is circumcenter lies inside the triangle for acute angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, circumcenter lies outside the triangle, and for right angle triangle, it is the midpoint of hypotenuse. This is position of circumcenters in different triangles. Okay, thank you.